will show you. Okay, we'll just check what is FI MM and FI SD integration. Finance SD, Finance MM. Let's go to BP 1801. Sorry, no, this is customer. FLCU 00. Can you see FLCU 00? There is company code data. Yes or no? There is company code. There is customer reconciliation account. This is the finance part. Yes or no?
Yes.
But if we go to FLCU 01, it is the sales and distribution part. This is the SD integration. SD integration, we need sales of distribution channel and division. I explained you what this is, how we create, how we assign, and why we need it. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is the FI SD integration. Then there is, let's go to BP again. What is our supplier? Anybody remembers?
4200.
4200.
Yes. Here if you go, FLBN00, company code. Here we need SAN1 as company code and supplier is 4200, reconciliation account we made. This is the finance part, and FLVN01. This is the purchasing part. This is the MM part, where we created a purchasing organization, assigned it to our company code, and entered the order currency. Yes or no? This is the MM part, materials management part, where you need to create a purchasing organization. In SD, you need to create a sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Clear? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I think it's enough for today. My throat is paining. Enough for today. Yes? Any questions for today?
No, sir.
Okay, if no questions, thank you very much. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir. That will sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, sir.